Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Ed, the RV trucker. I'd like to thank my viewers and subscribers for watching my videos. I'd also like to say hi to my friends and family back east, and Jim in California, the Schultzes, and the Joslyns. If you like truck campers and hiking and camping, check out their channel, the Joslyn Journey. I'll try to put a link in the video description. YouTube and video editing is all new to me, and I've been hit with a ton of challenges trying to get set up for this build. I'll continue to drop videos on the 52 project as it progresses. Meanwhile, watch for videos on other small projects. Okay, back to the 52 white. I bought it. I'd like to thank Jim and Jeb. It was sitting on a vacant lot for about 40 years. I took a diesel farm tractor over to the site and tried to move it, but it was really stuck to the ground. We decided we needed a bigger piece of equipment. We might have overdone it. I don't know if that's possible. You have to decide. They're towing the 52 out, and I'm following behind. As we pulled out onto the road, the flat, dry-rotted tires, which were no longer round, struggled on the pavement. They were so hard and dry that they shredded pieces of petrified rubber onto the road, and we did go back and gather everything up. As we turned into the yard, the old truck must have thought, "Hey, I know this place. I used to work here."
That way you can work all the way around it. Let me see what it does.
Yeah, come on back.
If he does that, it might actually...
Yeah, there you go.
Really doesn't have a lot of rust on it.
I scrounged up 6 24/5 Bud wheels. The tire shop painted them white and mounted some used tires on the rims. I've got to say thank you to Ryan at Big O. And then they came over, removed all the old split ring rims and tires, and mounted the Bud wheels. And thanks to Albert. I told him not to over tighten the lug nuts, since I might have to remove them by hand like I used to do years ago. Here's what she looks like with all 6 wheels on. She looks better already. Then I called a local towing company to pick her up and take her to the barn. He backed her in between the horse trailers. Did a pretty good job. Thanks to Harold, the driver.
That's good.
Well, that's it for now. Please feel free to leave a comment. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you the next time here on the RV Trucker.